All right, how about that? Those are the new race stickers, which every car needs to have many of. And this is, how many days before New Hampshire?
Easily 40.
We got like a month and a half before New Hampshire.
Under a month and a half.
And then we got to have that car done, which it hasn't even begun. So that's never gonna happen. But today we're finishing up rad for the prep for New Hampshire. We got the motor in last week. We have everything hooked up. We just have to finish hooking up the axle, so it's not everything. And after the axles, we're gonna do a little tuning on the streets of Warwick, and we'll see how that goes. But for now, we'll just get some axles hooked up, which you've seen plenty of times, and we also have to, change water pump housing gasket.
Not change it, add it.
Yeah, there might be one there, so we got to put that in.
Well, if there's one there, why do we need to change it?
Well, because it's old. Well, it was there before. Anyway, we'll see what's going on. If it's not leaking, maybe we don't. But I feel like a new water pump should get a new water pump gasket, right? Thanks. You're watching Wrenching to Race. All right, so we just completed putting the inner CV joints back together with the axle cups and the transmission. We Loctited the strut bolts, and we're gonna drop the car for the first time in a while. Fill her up with water, get her started, and take her for a spin. So go ahead, John, drop it down.
Drop!
All right, let's start it up.
So, before I start, I just want to make sure everyone likes, comments, subscribes, because without your support, pieces of shit like this can't get the funding they need for heart transplants. Subscriber gets a free sticker and a t-shirt.
Like, give it 2,500. Hold it. Sounds better, right? We just got back from
Comment, subscribe.
our first official test drive. We haven't done a test drive in a while, since like day one of owning this car. But yeah, everything seems to be running fine. I only took it up to $5,000 on the shifts, and good oil pressure throughout. The water temp gauge, the mechanical one, seems like a little iffy. The electronic water temp gauge was reading around 190 when we were driving, which is pretty normal for driving. Everything else seems well, so seems good. So we're gonna put the Golf on the lift for the first time. So yeah, we're done with rad for a while, and then from here goes to the race. So keep watching, keep liking, and always sign your friends up without them knowing. Thanks.